Good morning. I'm going to show you guys how to download the Intelex app and set it up so you can start recording near misses. So the first thing we need to do is when you're navigating to your screen, you need to go into your Play Store right here. So you go into your Play Store and search for the app Intelex, and it comes up as Intelex Mobile. I've already got it installed on this phone. So after it's finished installing, you will open up the phone. It will ask you for a web address that you need to use, and the web address is https://qms.bgis.com/intelexlogin/intelex. Once you've typed that in, you can hit the next button and it will go to our single sign-on login page. So it'll take you to the BGIS login page here. Sorry, mine's already logged me in because I'm logged into my phone. So when it goes in there, use your BGIS credentials and log in with your same password you use on your computer and email. All right, so the Intelex or the near miss reporting tool is found under the EHS incident management tool. So you click on the first icon and there you can see that it says near misses. Click on the near misses box and it brings up our chart or our table that we need to fill out. It logs you into your home location. My home location is in health and safety, but if you need to change, you will have to change that to the appropriate client that you're working for or your account group. I'm going to use an example of the Scotiabank group. Oops. And it follows the layout of the Real Suite database. So I'm going to pick one for an Ontario Scotiabank. Then we work our way through, so you have to fill out the appropriate information. Did this happen at a BGIS client building? Yes or no? Everything with the little star is a mandatory. If it doesn't have a star, it's not actually mandatory. Here, if you hit no, it will just make you move on. You can move on to the next questions. If you hit yes, you can then select the FMZ and the buildings. So I'm going to pick the Eglinton campus for this client group, and I'm going to say it was at the main location for that building. You do have to amend it. The next question, is it work related, yes or no? So if it happened at work or on your way or travels around your daily job, it's a yes. And if you hit no, that's when you're reporting from home. This is one of the first questions that does have logic behind it. So if you hit yes, it's going to follow up and expect to determine if there needs to be an additional follow-up. If you hit no and it's work related or it's non-work related, you do it at home, there'll be no follow-up that's required. So I'm going to hit a yes just to say that's there. Report type, you hit the little icon to the side and it puts up if we're going to put a hazard or a near miss. A near miss, as we identified by the definition, is something that could have been an accident, but obviously did not happen just by by luck or chance or timing for an event. And hazard observation is something that you have observed that could be a hazard in the workplace. So I'm going to say that we're going to have a hazard observation. The exact location, I'm going to use an example of some icy steps outside of the back door. So I'm going to say that it's in the door, oops, back parking lot. Okay, so the nature of the hazard, again, is These are our standard items. Pick the one that is the best match to your situation that you have. So let's see, mechanical tool, physical. So I'm going to say that was an other because we don't have ice as our hazard. I'm going to say that I'm going to find it on today's date, so April 29th. And near miss hazard observation description, ice on the walkway. Severity or reasonable possible outcome. So this is the standard in our Intelex of the major, critical, major, or minor. I'm going to say this is it's a minor issue. It's not something that's going to cause catastrophic issues. Has it been corrected? Yes or no. So this is where if you say no, there's going to prompt additional follow-up by a certain who the responsible person for that building, or if you had said yes, that it's going to go in for be retained for our statistics and purposes. And I'm going to say I put salt on the area, and it was reported by myself. Date reported. Hit the little calendar icon, and then we did report it today. And has it been previously reported? Yes or no. I'm going to say it is no, I haven't reported this issue before. And we can also add pictures. So you can either take them from your gallery that you've taken before or use the camera app. I'm going to use the camera. I'm not actually at the building, but I'm going to take a picture of, let's take a picture of my charger on my desk. I will take that picture. It does like that picture. And you can also, if you'd like to, annotate the picture. So you can draw little arrows to highlight what we're looking at in the picture there. Okay, and then it's attaching. I've hit yes. It's attaching the photo. All right, and then when you're finished filling out the questions, you can hit the save button, and this actually posts the incident as required. And you get a little notification at the bottom saying save successfully. All right, so I hope this helped everybody. And if you do have any questions or anything, you can contact your health and safety manager or your quality representative. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day.